Alright, so UberEATS giving out $40 to do 10 deliveries between 5 o'clock and 9 o'clock. It's pretty good money, man. I'm gonna show you how a hustler do it real quick, man. Ride with me real quick. What's up, hustlers? I hope y'all out there hustling hard and staying safe. It's your boy, the Gig Hustler, slide through real quick. Hey, if you guys new to the channel, we talk about gig apps such as Doordash, UberEATS, etc. Deliver that, whatever, from a Chicago perspective. So if you guys want to stick around, man, hit the like and subscribe button, man, and mess with your boy, man. And I'm glad you guys are watching. So, okay, real quick. Your boy went on a quest yesterday. UberEATS. Put up on the screen. Now when I added all the stuff up, all the quests. Okay, for those who don't know, real quick, UberEATS and I believe the Uber rideshare have promotions they call quests. Now quests are if you complete a certain amount of deliveries or drop-offs if you're doing regular Uber, and get so much money. Now yesterday's was the first line of the quest. If I do 7 deliveries, I get $7. But the quest kept going more after I added delivery. And after I did 10, it came up to $40. I'm like, cool, let me get out there and do that. I knocked them out. Now I got a certain set of rules I follow. I don't jump out the door with that. That $40 don't persuade me. These companies try to get y'all, so you know, you still gotta be smart with it if y'all go out here and do these quests. And this is how I proceed. Now first, yesterday's quest started at 5 o'clock, so from 5 to 9. So I got to the area. You gotta get to the area you want to work early. I got there before 5. Why? It's a couple of reasons why I get there early. One of the reasons I get there early is because I still have a minimum. See, they be trying to trick you, like, oh, I'm gonna make a $40 extra so you didn't make you take crazier orders. No, we're not about breaking even. Still make your minimum and try to use the quest to boost you above your minimum. Don't let them get over on you just because, oh, I'm getting 40 extra. No, keep your minimum the same. Why? Because it add up. That's why I say get out there early. Now my minimum out here is $6, so I wasn't taking nothing under $6 from 5 to 9. Kept piling them bad boys up. Another reason why I get out there early, because I feel like when you get really close to fully completing all the quests, I think they throttle you. Could be me, could be you overthinking things. I've always been told I'm overthinking, but I don't know. I feel like they throttle you though. So get out there early so you can keep making this money constantly. And when they feel like they throttle you a little bit or whatever, just let it slow down or turn the app on and turn it back on, because it doesn't reset your quests now. You still got, as long as you do the deliveries between the time frames, you good to go. Another tip, keep your other apps on. I keep Doordash running. If I had Grubhub, I keep that running. Anything that you can pair up to do with other food delivery, keep that running. Because the minimum goal is to make your money, not to complete a quest. I know it feels good when you complete it. Don't get me wrong. It feels good or whatever. You feel like you achieved something. But it's still, overall, we all out here for our money. So keep that bad boy running. If Doordash or Grubhub, whatever other app you want to use, does a better order, do that order, and you can go back and continue the quest. Money comes first. I'm telling y'all, for real, for real. and just keep moving. Now with the quest to complete them, you gotta be fast. You gotta keep moving. Make sure you go to restaurants that are efficient. If you gotta wait, don't wait longer than 10-15 minutes. I actually would have completed my quest almost an hour earlier. I went to a restaurant, had me wait for 10 minutes, kept waiting 5 minutes, me to death. I'm like, nah, I gotta go. I just canceled the order and went on about my day. Still completed the quest. See, if I would have waited that, they may have threw me off. Who knows? But hey, keep on moving while you out there making your money, man. And keep all the other apps running. Hey, we're out there. Be safe. Watch your back. New Year's around the corner. It's about to be a whole new year, baby. We out there about to make our money, make your references. I mean, your New Year's resolution. I don't do that because it's whatever. If I do a New Year's resolution, I'm doing it for right now, not next week. But hey, yeah, be safe out there. Hit that like and subscribe button to your boy. Peace. Hustler out.